The Lava Agni 3 5G has officially launched in India. The event was streamed live on company's website and YouTube channel. This new phone follows the success of the Lava Agni 2 5G and aims to deliver a similarly great experience. Let's take a look at the features and specifications of this newly launched beauty. The Lava Agni 3 5G has made its debut as the first smartphone in this segment to use the MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chipset and features India's first Dual AMOLED display. The smartphone boasts 8GB low-power double data rate 5 RAM and 256GB universal flash storage 3.1. It packs a 5000 mAh battery with support for 66-watt fast charging. Moreover, the Agni 3 5G features a dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. It also supports an IP64 rating for resistance to dust and water. Well, the standout feature is its dual display setup. The main display is 1.5K curved AMOLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, while the secondary 1.74-inch AMOLED display on the back acts as a viewfinder for taking high-quality selfies with 50-megapixel primary camera. Now, speaking of the cameras, then the rear setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom. For the selfies and video calls, there's a 16-megapixel front camera. The Agni 3 runs on Android 14 and is set to receive 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates. It also introduces an action key, allowing you to quickly switch between functions like flashlight or recorder with a single press, double press, or long press. You can get the Lava Agni 3 5G in pristine glass and heather glass colors. The pricing starts at Rs 20,000 for the 8GB plus 128GB model without a charger, Rs 22,999 with a charger, and Rs 24,999 for the 8GB plus 256GB model with a charger.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.